Okay, so let's do this bit quickly. So we're doing a final query. So it's the second query. This one is a bit shorter. So we're going to do a query. We're going to find all the activities that contain snow and ice located in Scotland where the type is thrill. Okay, so it's going to be a query. So I'm going to use Query Wizard. You actually don't need all the fields. I'm going to copy them over just for quickness. Do we have to sort them in any order? Do you know? Just come back to this. Sorts activity in ascending alphabetical order. Okay, so we could do that. Activity ascending, and then that's it. I might as well just click finish now. Ah, you're joking. Right, I'll try that one more time. I don't know what happened there. Okay, it worked, I think. Nope, it's not working. Okay, I'm going to pause the video, and this is why I need to do this review in the classes, because we need to see something weird's happening here. I'm just going to pause the video 1 sec. Okay, it's 1 second later, and I've just realised what I did wrong there. Okay, it is getting late in the day, and it's been a long day, so I'm just going to save that. I'm going to do the query again. Query Wizard, that was my fatal mistake. You're basing the query now on a table. You're using that information from the table. So again, I'll do the same thing again. Click Next. Sort by, I can't even remember what it was now. Activity, I think, ascending order. Click Finish. Okay, it's worked this time, lovely. So that's the query. Is it this one? No, okay, I'm going to delete this one. This is the one that's we don't need. Okay, so what we're doing, we are finding everyone where it's in Scotland. So here, if I type Scotland in, I'll save it and run it. Okay, so that bit's worked. Only things in Scotland. So you know you'd get a point for that. Okay, where type is thrill. What are we looking at? Okay, thrill. Yeah. Okay, so just like Scotland, we can just type in thrill, and then as you're doing it, you just save it, run the query. Okay, that's looking good. It's narrowed it down. This bit is a bit more, the next one is a bit more complicated, not complicated, but slightly different. Snow or ice. Now if you look at this, you've got, let's have a look. Okay, snow there, Nordic snow, but you've also got snow tobogganing. So snow comes at the start of the activity name, snow tobogganing, but also in the middle, Nordic snow skiing. And also ice climbing, and you might have, okay, so it's just ice climbing, but now this is a weird thing with databases. You use the word like. That is what's called a wildcard, and then you're going to type in snow and then put another wildcard in. The wildcard means it can have anything before the word snow, anything after the word snow. Now I'm going to just save that, and I think it's not going to work. I'm just going to click run. No, it didn't work. And I know why. Because it is case sensitive. Just click save, run it again. Okay, so now it's worked. But you also need the one with ice. So you do the same thing again. Underneath it, you've got this one, and you would do, so it's ice. So capital I. I shouldn't, actually, it puts the quotes in for you. I'm just going to save that. Lovely, it's done it. Okay. So that's it. Show only course code, level, and activity. So level, activity. So you can untick that. It says visible. So location, I don't think we needed. So you can just untick them, and that is the query done. You can run it. Lovely. And that's it. Fantastic. Save this data in a form that can be imported. Right, so what you could do, I'm going to close that. Ah, don't believe it. Right, this is worrying. It's crashing a lot, which is why it's taken me so long. Now, I don't know why, and that's why we're going to need to test it. Okay. But this is unusual, and I think it's only because it's on this Mac, which is very flaky, let's put it that way. I think the Macs in the room should be a lot better than this. But it is a lesson. Keep that. Just keep doing save. Control Command S, Command S. But anyway, the final bit. If I open up this query, it's not going to crash again. No, good. So this is actually almost like a table, because what it says here, save it in a form that can be imported. Well, I'm guessing I could be able to click on there and just do edit and copy. Oops. Okay, yeah, it says import this data as a table after the paragraph. I'm just going to open up a blank text document and just see how that saves. If I do paste special, no, paste. Oh, okay. It has actually, it would import it as a table, so you copy everything across. Click OK. It's done it. Lovely, so that has worked. So all I did there was opened up the query, I clicked on this top left, I clicked copy, and then when I went back, right, the only difference is you'd be importing it into Word, where I'm importing it just into this LibreOffice thing just to test it. But okay, I imagine Word would do something very, very similar. If the worst scenario, if it didn't work, you could even just screenshot it. It says import it as a table, but you could probably even just screenshot that. It wouldn't be ideal, but you could screenshot it and import it into Word as a picture. But it's worth trying the way I've just done. I think this database is going to crash again. But girls, that is the most difficult bit, I would say. Spell check and proofread the document, make sure. Yeah, because what you're doing is importing that bulleted list. Yeah, so that basically this bit here from 41 is then going back to what you were doing earlier here in this document. As you can see, LibreOffice is misbehaving, but okay, hopefully, listen, if that wasn't clear, we'll just go over it and over it again. I would also recommend, whilst I was waiting to LibreOffice to start again, you have got so many videos out there, like I think I said in one of the earlier videos. So if you really are getting fed up with my voice, just watch some of these ones. This one here was particularly good. I like this guy. He did explain it well. I was trying to do what he was doing. So he's using Access, Microsoft Access. So the database bit, we can't do, and annoyingly, Access is slightly easier to do the tasks that I'm trying to do, or I was trying to do here. It's one little tick box, but this is something we can just practice. But okay, girls, I'm going to sign off here.